bike in the trash a little while ago, and I know how to fix bikes. Fixed it up, painted it up, put some new tires on it, and just gonna go give it to some random person. Let's go. Well, it's got this heavy-duty kryptonite lock on it. We don't have a key, so we gotta cut it off. Aha! Got it. Yay. Next step. Got the tires all pumped up. Gonna give it a little bit of a paint job, a little touch up. Let's do it. Looks like the chain's a little loose. We've got to tension up the chain by loosening the back wheel a little bit, pulling it back. Keep it nice and tight. Now you gotta be careful not to tighten it too much, because oftentimes on these lower end bikes the gears aren't perfectly round, and so you'll have spots where it's really loose, and then you go around a half a turn and then the chain is really tight. So you want a little bit of play in it, but you don't want it so it's so tight when it comes back around that it's gonna be putting added stress on the chain. But I think we got it. Well, I almost forgot. What bike would be complete without a bike lock? Don't answer that, but I'm just telling you that I'm going to get a bike lock before I give away this bike. Here I go. Find the bikes. There they are. Alright, now the locks. Now I want one of these word locks, but I want one that has a word that I like. Found one with a combination that says mask. Well, I guess I shouldn't have told you, because now if you find this bike you'll know the combination. But you probably won't. Okay, I got the lock. I'm gonna go open it up first, I guess, and then go give this bike away. Let's go. Plan here is to drive downtown over here and get out with the bike. I guess just ride around and see if anybody looks like they need a bike or want a bike, or if somebody's on a bike that they're walking because it's broken, I'll give them this one, or I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I've seen like 0 people walking and 0 people on the bike. So maybe I'll find an area where there's more people out and then get out and ride around there. There's like nobody out. Plan B. I'll get the bike out of here and just go leave it in a public place and then watch it. And when someone tries to steal it, I'll just say, hey, you can have the bike. I don't know. Oh, and here's a lock to go with it, so no one else steals it, like you just tried to do. I don't know. This is hard. Still searching. Okay, so I've come down here by City Hall. I'm gonna go over on this bench here and put up my sign and see if anybody wants a free bike. wants a free bike today. There's some people sitting on benches over there. Maybe they can't see my sign. So I'm gonna go ride around a little bit and say, free bike, bicicleta gratis. We'll see. Let's go. Hey, do you want a free bike? He didn't want the free bike. Hey, do you want a free bike? You don't? Free. I'm trying to give it away today. Hey, do you guys want a free bike? Alright, see ya. Free bike? I want it. It's yours. It's even got a new lock. Hey, do you want a free bike? It's free. See? No, it's even got a new lock. Alright. See ya. Hey, do you want a free bike?
I know.
A free bike? A guy that looks like he might want a free bike. Who knows? Free bike? He didn't want a free bike. I don't know. It's like you can't give stuff away. It's hard. It's like free, no charge. I just want to give it to you. Here's a new lock so it doesn't get stolen. It's tough. Hey, do you want a free bike? Want a free bike?
No.
No?
No.
I don't understand people. It's completely free. Hey. Want a free bike?
No, I'm good.
No? You sure?
Yeah.
I just bought a new lock for it too.
Yeah, I'm good though.
Sure?
I appreciate it, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, bet, man.
See if he wants it. Do you need a bike?
No.
You sure? Free.
Free?
Completely free.
Free?
Free. Free. And a new lock. I just bought it.
No.
You sure?
Sure.
Okay. Want a free bike?
What?
I'm trying to give it away. I took it and fixed it up, repainted it. So I'm just trying to give it away.
Yeah. Give it to him.
He didn't want it.
Oh.
Nobody wants it because they think it's stolen or something. Weird. Want a free bike? No? Completely free.
No.
Do you want a free bike? Hey, you want a free bike? Need a free bike? Nobody wants it. You guys want a free bike?
Right?
Free bike right here. I just fixed it up, repainted it. I just bought a new lock for it.
But I would take it, but I wouldn't use it. That's the thing. So
All right.
it would be better if someone who actually will use it and need it.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
Me too. You guys want a free bike? This guy's coming back over. Maybe he changed his mind. We'll see. I didn't think it would be so hard to give away a perfectly good working bike. I don't know why people don't want it. If they're walking and they don't have a car, seems like a bike would be the way to go. Need a free bike? I'm trying to give it away. It's really hard. Maybe if I say $1, people will think it's worth something. Maybe when I say free, they think, oh, it must not be worth anything, it's free. But I'm giving it away. No strings attached. You want a free bike? Want a free bike? You want a bike? Free.
Okay.
You want it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's yours.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Hey, look. Lock. Sí. La palabra.
Okay, esto de aquí.
Sí.
Max.
Sí.
Okay, thank you.
Sí. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Tiene buen día.
See you later.
I spent 2 hours trying to give away this bike. Nobody wanted it, and so he's taking it now. Finally, somebody.
Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Ruben.
Yeah.
Okay, gracias, Ruben.
For you.
Gracias. Enjoy. Now I gotta walk all the way back over there now, though. He's like, yeah, I'll take a bike, sure. And I got a new lock. Thanks, Ruben. So one guy that I was trying to give it to, he almost took it, and he's like, are the police gonna come and get me? I was like, no, the police aren't gonna get you. It's not stolen. Well, I'm right here at the police station. They could be like, hey, that guy just stole my bike. You should go get my bike back. No, just kidding. I wouldn't do that. Sure got a long walk back to my car now, though. I rode pretty far, like a mile or two. Just keep walking, I guess. Well, I'm glad Ruben accepted the bike. I was about to call it a day. Have to come back tomorrow, maybe go find a different part of town, but Ruben helped me out. Thanks, Ruben. Well, finally gave it away. It only took me almost 3 hours of asking like 100 people. Yeah, I guess that's it. If you guys ever try to give away stuff for free, be prepared to have lots of no answers, because I don't know what it is. People just don't want something that's free for some reason. I guess with the bike they thought it was stolen, or they would get in trouble, or if it was some kind of trick, or I don't know. I kept saying, completely free, totally free, it's yours. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, and you can check out some of the other videos over here and over there, and links below, and we'll see you next time. Bye!